now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. I know it has been a while. I got tired of doing unboxings. Obviously, there's been some releases. I could have shown you guys a couple pairs, but it's just like, I don't know. I just felt tired of it. I kind of looked through the comments on some past videos to get some ideas, and a couple people were asking to see some of my reselling failures. I've been reselling since high school. It's kind of been up and down. Obviously, the game has changed a lot, and you'll see it in these failures. I'm gonna show you my top 3 failures, which happen to be all Adidas. So I don't know if you guys remember the first Pusha T Adidas drop. I think it was like the guidance pair. They dropped and they were immediately selling for like 500 a piece. So I wasn't able to, I didn't cop. So I didn't know how it would do. I like Pusha T, but I didn't think his drop would like be like a Yeezy release or anything. So I see that, I'm like, okay, the next drop, the Pusha T Ultra Boost EQT supports. I like the colorway, I like the style. I'm gonna grab as many pairs as I can, cause then they're reselling for 500, boom. So on release day, I copped 13 pairs of this gray colorway, and now they're selling for 120. And so pretty much I lost, what was it? Almost like $1,100 loss. It's one of those things. Like, I actually still have the 12 pairs, I think. Seeing if the market would go up, obviously never did, so who knows what we're gonna do with them. But I have 2 pair myself. I love this shoe, it's comfortable, I like wearing it, but it's just one of those things. Reselling. Number 2 on the list, the Gold Medal Ultra Boost. This was a kind of a different story. I did pre-orders for this shoe, and let's just say the pre-orders went a little nuts. I pre-ordered them at $280. I think they dropped for $180. So $100 per pair. I did 10 pre-orders. So easy $1,000 profit, whatever. On release day, I only got 2. And I'm not one of those guys that are like, pre-order, I refunded you, couldn't get them, like blah. I wanted to keep the reputation, keep my name up. So I ended up paying the money they paid me to buy other resellers' pairs to ship to my pre-orders. It was a tough day. I didn't think they were that limited, but I guess they were. It was not fun. So pretty much I made no profit, and I did a lot of work. A lot of work. I probably even lost money after I had to pay for the shipping here and then ship them out to the people. I lost money, but that's reselling. Pre-orders are tough. Make sure you have secured pairs. All my pairs are secured now if you want to pre-order on markkicks.com. It's mostly Jordan releases and some random stuff. But you can fill out a form, buy any shoe, whatever, markkicks.com. But yeah, bad day for pre-orders on that one. Bad day. It's just scary. Adidas switches it up so much, you never know. And the last but not least was the first Pharrell Human Race drop. Oh boy. So Papa Smurf helped me with one of these pairs, or he might have got both, I don't know. But so I ended up getting 2 pairs of each, right? So I sold both of the 2 pairs for 400 a piece. So $800 right there. But now they're selling for like 1,300, both of them selling for like 1,300, bro. And when I tell you, I had an offer, somebody offered me 10 pairs at 500 a piece for the blue ones. And I was like, bro, they're selling for 400 right now. He was like, it'll go up in the future, I think. I'm doing them for 500, 10 pairs for 500 right now. And I passed on the deal. I was like, nah, I can't take that risk. Like, that's a lot of money. So at $5,000, I was like, I'm not taking that risk. But now they're selling for like 1,300 a piece, bro. So I passed up on, I can't even count, like $11,000. The game is crucial out here. But there will be days in reselling where, oh, you get lucky, you made $5,000, and then there will be days where you just lost or missed out on the opportunity to make $5,000. It's tough. That's reselling. If you want to know how to get into reselling, don't. The only way I can put it, Shoe selling is hard. It's not fun anymore. There's too many sellers, and the products, you never know. The market is so weird. But those are my top 3 reselling failures. Nothing too crazy, but then pretty crazy. Adidas just doesn't like me. Go check out the car channel, Mark Hicks and Whips. Yeah, we got some crazy stuff happening to both the cars, so yeah, stay tuned for that, and tell me what you want to see, man. Just comment and I'll be here.